Welcome to IB Chemistry, second year. Our class is made up of 5 wonderful seniors, and they're path breakers in the new IB program, and I thought it would be perfect for them to take on this project because these new elements of the periodic table have finished the 7th period and established whole new ground, just like our IB students are establishing a whole new program for us here at DePaul College Prep. The periodic table is the organizing tool chemists use to understand the physical and chemical properties of all of the elements that have been discovered. In June, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry announced the names and atomic numbers of 4 new elements. And we were very excited about being a part of this moment in science where our scientists have successfully completed identifying all the elements in period 7 of the periodic table. The elements that were announced in June are atomic numbers 113, 115, 117, and 118. In addition, there were 24 other elements that have been confirmed and named, and the credit for the discovery announced by IUPAC since 2010 when our classroom periodic table was first installed. If you're interested in science and the discovery of new materials like an invisibility cloak, it's these elements on the periodic table that will usher in those new exciting developments. And so I hope to inspire my students to look forward to the date they graduate and to look forward to going to college and learning more about chemistry or about the elements for whatever professions they want to seek, that they can go out and make really interesting contributions and then hopefully make the world a better place.
I had to research element 113, nihonium. 113 is the element's atomic number and its chemical symbol is NH. The group of individuals that discovered this element were from Japan, and their group name, or where they were from, was the RIKEN, Nishina Center for Accelerator-Based Science. And the team was headed by Professor Kosuke Morita and was the first team from an Asian country that was accredited to discovering an element from an Asian country. The name derives from Nihon. It means Japan in Japanese. And the literal meaning is the land of rising sun. Nihonium is neighbors to element 112, Copernicum, and 114, Flerovium, all being from the same period, number 7.
My element was Moscovium. Its atomic symbol is MC and its elemental number is 115. It was founded in 2 places, a nuclear laboratory in Russia, in Moscow, and in Vanderbilt University, and it's named after Moscow. Its location on the periodic table is right between fluorine and livermorium.
The recently discovered element 117 has been officially named tennessine in recognition of Tennessee's contributions to its discovery, including the efforts of the Department of Energy's Oak Ridge National Laboratory and its Tennessee collaborators at Vanderbilt University and the University of Tennessee. Tennessine was made by bombarding atoms of berkelium-249 with ions of calcium-48. The most stable isotope is tennessine-294. Its half-life is about 80 milliseconds. It decays into Moscovium-290 through alpha decay.
I researched element 118, oganesson, symbol OG. This element was named after Professor Yuri Oganessian. Yuri Oganessian provided important research into heavy elements, such as the ones that are newly added to the periodic table, and also provided claims and evidence behind something known as the island of stability, where elements do not decay after a couple milliseconds like the ones that we currently are adding to the periodic table today. Because of this island of stability, no elements will be added to the periodic table after oganesson. So this is the final element of the periodic table for the time being.